Welcome back, everybody, to Morning Ritual Super Story Session. A time where we become thought leaders. We learn from simple and beautiful life stories from beautiful stories. Yes, let's get started. This is a story I think most of you must have heard. Story of a lion. A lion, mighty lion. He hunts an animal and he is eating the meat. And that time, what happens? One bone gets stuck in his throat. A bone gets stuck, and immediately the king, the lion, understands this is challenging. He does everything, and it is paining. It's stuck in his throat, and it is paining. And he, whatever he does, he could not complete the meal, and he is suffering, he is struggling, he is groaning, he is mourning, he is crying, and the bone is stuck. No one is able to help him. He's stuck. He is in the jungle, and the entire day gets over. 2 days, 3 days gets over. Lion is becoming weaker. He's crying. He is doing everything. Imagine when something is stuck. So that is stuck in our lion's throat. And he's going now about 4 or 5 days. He has not had food. He has not had water. Nothing. He's had nothing. And he's in a really bad. Then he's lying on the floor, lying on the ground, and crying and moaning. A kingfisher, a bird, is passing by. She notices the king of the jungle, the lion, is on the floor. She says, "Oh king, what happened? Oh lion, what has happened?" The lion says, "This is what happened to me. Oh, it's almost 4 or 5 days. I'm very weak and I'm almost dying." She said, "I can help you." She said, "Please, can you please help me?" And king, but they'll let me make a deal that king, I am becoming old now. Can you please provide me a small piece of meat daily? Small piece, tiny piece of meat. Can you provide me daily? I'll immediately go and remove the bone. The king, "Thank you so much. Please do it." The woodpecker walks inside the mouth, removes the bone, comes out. Okay, they remove the bones and comes out, and the lion is relieved that so much of pain, that it's so this thing, and the woodpecker flies away. She says, "Lion, oh king, please remember you kept a promise." Okay, yeah, but does the lion keep the promise? No. Okay, so 1 day, 2 days happens. The lion now is very hungry. He's hunting and eating. But then he is not keeping his promise and all. The woodpecker will ask, "King, you committed, you promised that you will you will come and do this. Well, why are you not doing it? And what is the reason? Why is the king say the lion, pesky bird, such a small tiny bird, what are you gonna do? Get lost and all that. Doesn't treat with a lot of arrogance and all the other things." And he treats the bird, and then the bird feels very offended and all that. The king thinks, the lion thinks, what is this tiny bird can do? What is a tiny bird after all can do and all the thing? But at that particular time, the woodpecker strikes the lion in his eye, pecks out one of his eye, picks out one of his eye and flies away. And flies away. The lion is crying, the yelling and all other things. And the bird says, "King, this is the punishment that I'm giving it to you. I would have taken both your eyes. Both of your eyes, I would have taken it. But I'm letting you go with just the one eye. Now, this is the price you need to pay." So what did you guys learn from this story?
Coach,
Comes around.
don't judge a book by its cover.
Don't judge a book by its cover.
Coach, thinking smart.
Thinking smart.
What you should always keep your promises, stay true to them, and never betray someone.
Wonderful, Yuktha. You are actually becoming a standing example of that. Choosing.
Coach,
Very nice. Yeah.
Coach,
we should betray someone who is trying to help you. In return, you should help back.
Siddhi, can you speak a little louder, please?
Someone is unmute, coach.
Actually, it's a little noisy here, my dear, today. No worries. You go ahead.
Yeah, so the moral I'm saying is that you should not betray someone. If someone is trying to help you in return, you should help them back instead of showing much of arrogance and like saying that he's too small, what he will do and all those things.
Yes. Yes, I understand that. Thank you so much. Yes, if somebody's helped you, you must be grateful. You must be grateful rather than just took advantage of the person and now we'll treat them. Yes. Yeah.
What you sow, so you reap.
Lovely. See, what you sow, you reap. Isn't it very true? You sow arrogance, hatred, and all the thing is going to come back to you.
Coach, one more thing about commitments and promises. This is not exactly related to the lion, but in your life, if you don't stay to your commitments or your promises, you won't reach your goal. So that's why the lion he thought he kept the promise, but he got a consequence for not.
True. Keep your commitments, keep your promises. If you have made them, whatever happens, keep it. Lovely.
Coach.
So proud of your leaders. Yeah.
Coach, yeah, I have one more value. It's like similar to almost Yukta, that if you do good things, in return, you will get good things. And if you do bad things in return, bad things will come. If you trust someone, in return, others will trust you by proving something. And if you betray someone, others will in return will betray you. And in the end, it's all your fault.
True. You sow what you reap. Lovely, my dear. Thank you, Siddhi, for contributing. Mahadev, Sana, Vaibhavi, you want to contribute anything? All answers in the morning ritual are answers. There are no wrongs, there are no rights. Choices of consequences, very nice. Your choices makes your breaks. Yeah.
Choices have consequences.
Very nice, Sana.
Coach, be truthful.
Lovely. Very nice. Vaibhavi, be truthful. Beautiful. So now over to Yukta. Yukta, all set?
Yes, coach.
Wonderful. Yeah. So please start.
Let's start with our short meditation.
Everybody's on mute? Yes. Great. Yukta, start with alternate nasal breathing.
Start with alternate nasal breathing. 20 counts.
Hand straight, bringing it inside.
Let's start with deep breathing. 6 counts. Hum. 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 Now, let's start with energizer. Now let go of your hands. Let's start with gratitude. Cross your hands. Thank yourself for being such an amazing person, always so kind, always so caring, always looking out for everyone, always taking care of people. Thank yourself for not judging anyone by looking at them. Thank yourself for always being truthful, for always keeping up to your commitments, always being truthful towards these promises and commitments. Promises and commitments help you reach your goal and you keep them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now let's thank your two pillars of support, your mom and your dad, for always being there for you. They've helped you through everything. They've given you food to eat, a shelter to live in, and clothes to wear. Thank your friends and your family for always supporting you and being there whenever you need them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now thank your teachers, your gurus, your coaches for always leading you in the right direction. They told you what's right and what's wrong. Yeah, they always help you in the right direction. They always make you commit. They always make you stay true to your commitments. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, let's thank Mother Nature. Thank you, Mother Nature, for always giving me food to eat, water to live, and oxygen to breathe. Now thank the Almighty, the God, for always giving you everything in abundance, whether it's health, wealth, education, kindness, truthfulness, commitments, promises. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now imagine a bright white light coming right towards you. It enters your head, your face, your neck, your chest, your hands, your fingers, your fingertips. It goes down your stomach, your thighs, your knees, your calves, your toes, head to toe, toe to head, fully blessed with the bright white light. Now we're in the right state of mind to start our goal visualization, a goal meditation. Visualize your long-term goals, your short-term goals, your goals for today. What are your goals in 1 week? And how to stay true to your goals. Visualize. Start. Now let go of your hands on your heart, and repeat after me. I'm amazing. I'm powerful. I'm enthusiastic. I'm energetic. I'm independent. I'm intelligent. I stay true to my commitments. I stay true to my promises. I don't judge anyone but just by looking at them. I'm amazing. I'm lovable. I'm capable. I'm valuable. And I'm a superb human. Raindrop claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa, whoosh. First one. Second one. Last one. Open your eyes and see these words about your face. Coach.
Once again, a lot of respect for you, Yukta. Great work done. Very proud of you. Siddhi, thank you so much for support. And all of you pushing yourself. I understand this is not how everybody is doing. Everybody is comfortable. Yukta, back to Superman, back to Vajrasana. It is not over till I say it's over. This is what coaches do. We keep pushing. See? Yeah. Okay. As a coach, my ultimate goal, my job, my duty is to make you guys stronger and powerful. Isn't it? You're tough today, life becomes easy. As simple as that. Thank you so much, Yukta, giving your 100%. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. See you guys tomorrow morning. Live powerfully, live purposefully. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become #1 in studies and #1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.